Grabe, first time kong gumawa ng brazo de Mercedes and it is close to perfection na agad. Kailangan lang pala ng puti ng itlog. Batihin lagyan ng asukal dahan-dahan. At kunting cornstarch. Gumawa rin ng palaman from condensed milk and egg yolk. E-bake ang meringue. At habang mainit, panipalaman at ikutin na. At ayan, tapos ka na.